If you are a student, or a jobless person, and want to earn money online, then you are at right place. Watch this video till the end, and I will tell you 10 different ways, through which you can earn online, sitting at your home. You just need a laptop, and an internet connection. So let's begin. YouTube. Nowadays, YouTube is a powerful way of making money online. People prefer watching videos, than searching on Google. Make your channel on YouTube, record videos, and upload them on YouTube. This is a slow process, but once you build your audience, then you will make decent amount of money. Just make your homework before starting your channel. Blogging. If you're serious about making money online, start a blog. Blogging is one of the easiest, and most sustainable income sources. As long as the blog is set up the right way, in the right niche, with the right content targeted at the right audience, and the offer is complementary to the content, you could make a tremendous amount of passive income from a blog. Affiliate marketing. There are loads of resources for making money online as an affiliate. Do your due diligence, and find the right company, with a relevant product or service to your audience, that you can sell as an affiliate. In some cases, you will need an active website, with substantial traffic to get approved. Selling as an affiliate isn't easy by any means, but if you do have the audience, it can definitely amount to a substantial amount of income. Freelancing. Perhaps you enjoy writing, designing websites, or doing a little bit of graphic design in your spare time. There are so many freelance jobs out there, that require simple skills or just time that someone else might not have. And the best thing about freelancing is that, you can work for clients around the world with just an internet connection from home, to your own hours whilst developing valuable skills. Sell your photos. If you think you've got a good shot and a little creativity, try uploading your photographs for free to stock websites. A good starting point is Fotolia or iStock Photo. Make more money selling photo subjects, that have fewer search results, but you feel would have some demand. Buy and sell domain names. A domain name is just a website address. They cost as little as $4 to register. Yet premium domain names can fetch thousands of dollars, if not millions when sold on. The trick is to find available domain names, which have some commercial value, snap them up and then list them for sale on a site like Sedo.com. Become a click worker. The clickworker.com concept is based on internet crowdsourcing, where businesses advertise specific, scalable tasks they need completing quickly. And for us, it's an easy way to make fast cash from our couch. There are a variety of tasks, but most commonly they involve mindless data entry, web research, or form filling. You are rewarded and paid in cash via PayPal for the work you do, and you can choose for what and when you work. Paid surveys. Here you can make money by completing small surveys, which takes 5 minutes to 30 minutes, depending on the requirement of a particular company. You need to write your feedback and opinion in a survey. You just have to select your choice from the question and there is no need to write anything. Start your website. Interested in generating passive income? You need a website. It's the way to make money while you sleep. Starting a website with Bluehost takes less than 20 minutes, costs hardly anything and can be done by an 82-year-old. It only takes a bit of plugging on social media to get your first visitors, and there are plenty of ways to monetize your site. Virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is like a personal assistant, who can earn money by working online for someone, without being physically present. He can do variety of tasks like taking care of websites, counseling, writing and proofreading, publishing content, marketing, coding, website and app development, research etc.